A heart transplant is a complex but life-saving procedure. It involves replacing a diseased or damaged heart with a healthy one from a donor. This operation offers a second chance at life for individuals suffering from end-stage heart failure. It is a testament to the remarkable advancements in modern medicine. The surgery itself is a marvel of medical engineering. It requires a highly skilled team of surgeons, nurses, and technicians. The procedure involves meticulous precision and careful monitoring. The impact on the recipient's life is profound, offering renewed hope and the possibility of a brighter future. Not everyone with heart problems is eligible for a transplant. Stringent criteria determine who can receive this life-altering surgery. Candidates must have severe heart failure, meaning their heart can no longer pump blood effectively. Other conditions, such as irreversible heart damage from heart attacks or birth defects, may also qualify. Age is a significant factor, with most recipients being under 65. Overall health is crucial. Individuals with other serious medical conditions like cancer or HIV might not be eligible. A dedicated medical team evaluates each patient's case thoroughly. They consider various factors, including medical history, lifestyle, and psychological readiness, to determine their suitability for the procedure. Inside the operating room, the heart transplant surgery begins with the patient being placed under general anesthesia. The surgical team then carefully opens the chest cavity to access the heart. The next step involves connecting the patient to a heart-lung machine, which takes over the functions of the heart and lungs during the procedure. The diseased heart is then removed, and the donor heart is meticulously sewn into place. The surgeons ensure that all major blood vessels are correctly attached to the new heart. Once everything is in place, the heart-lung machine is gradually weaned off, allowing the new heart to take over. The surgical team closely monitors the heart's function to ensure it is working properly before closing the chest. Life after a heart transplant comes with its own set of challenges and rewards. The risks include potential complications such as infection, rejection of the donor heart, and side effects from immunosuppressive medications. However, the benefits can be life-changing, offering patients an extended life expectancy and improved quality of life. Long-term care is crucial for transplant recipients. Regular follow-up appointments are necessary to monitor the heart's function and detect any signs of rejection early. Patients must adhere to a strict regimen of medications to prevent rejection and manage other health conditions. Additionally, lifestyle changes, including a healthy diet and regular exercise, are essential for maintaining overall well-being. With proper care and support, many heart transplant recipients go on to lead fulfilling lives.